All right, here's the big stuff now. The PCjr diskette drive option. Can store up to 360 kilobytes. Wow, on both sides of a 5 1/4 inch diskette. This includes the drive, the adapter, signal and power cables, and exploring your PCjr demo diskette. That will be a lot of fun to do. Made in the USA. And at some point he was trying to sell this for, what is that, $170, I guess, and then lowered the price to $85. Well, then I got a real steal. Alright, let's just dump the contents out here. Gotta love that wasteful IBM packaging. One box for everything here. Every separate piece. Okay, here's the floppy interface cable. There's only one drive, so only one connector. One whole box just for that. Okay. And one whole box just for this. I assume once we get into the computer, I'll find out that there's a connector somewhere on the main board. Plug this into. Either that or maybe it goes on the interface card. Let's have a look. I assume that's what is in the third box here. It is a floppy disk interface card. Clock chip, NEC controller chip. A little soldering job there across that one. And bent pins, thanks a lot. I gotta fix that before I use this. Well, they bent the phooey out of those things too. Thanks a lot, IBM. So, yep, power must come from the main board. I hope this works. I bet those pins. Luckily, I bought multiples of these, so this is not the only floppy drive or controller that I have on hand. This is just a brief look at the one that I had in the box. So there you go. That's... Oh, wait a minute. Can't wrap up the video. We didn't even show the main event yet. Aha! There's the PCjr sample disc. And these instructions are definitely important. Especially if you don't know what you're doing like me. Alright, so it's just top, so this is probably preferred. Okay. And there's the drive. Oh boy. We got some little plastic housing here. Unlike a regular floppy drive, this guy has a big old fan. Since there is no fan in the PCjr, they might as well cool this thing off. Probably the same 360K drive that the ATs or the XTs were getting. I'll probably want to oil some stuff in here before we actually install and use this guy. It's been sitting in a box for 40 years almost. Almost 40 years. Quiet Mark 142. Looks like the fan connects to the motherboard too. It's just loose. There's your data, there's your power. That is a big fan too. 0.1 amps. 1.2 amps. So there's your big 360K floppy drive. And that concludes this unboxing and first look at the 360K floppy drive option for the PCjr. Don't forget to subscribe. More is coming. Thanks for watching.